Okay. Well, I hope that thing's in focus. First thing you got to do is turn the key on. Normally when you're running a lift, you're going to be having the engine running, because then the alternator is also charging the batteries at the same time, because the lift does take a lot of juice out of the batteries. It's a really noisy engine, and so to prevent the batteries from dying, so to speak, I went ahead and hooked up a battery charger, and so that's why you see a cord going in right there. This is where the batteries are, and so it should operate without any problem, and much quieter, because this diesel engine is loud. And the lift works great. I've used it many times. It's built for transporting, it's a paratransit bus is what it is. And so it's great for wheelchairs. I'm just walking it out because I have other things inside the I have other stuff inside the bus that would prevent me from using the entire width of the bus. And so that's why I had to walk it out like you saw me doing. In case you were wondering. He's like, what the heck is he doing? Anyway, the lift is rated at 800 pounds. When I took this thing to work, it was loaded with the tools and I was standing on it. And I know that had to be close to 2,000 pounds, so this lift works great. I really like it. Comes in handy, and what's funny is that my box is just the right size. It just barely fits on here. I've got like 1 inch to spare. And so, oh, all right. Definitely rolls a lot easier without all that weight in there from the boxes themselves. So let's see if we yeah, that's good enough. Yeah. Then this thing out of the way. Yep, much easier. Much easier without the drawers in it and without the tons of tools in it. So. And when it comes to editing this, I might go to that, I can't remember what they call it, almost like a multi-frame shot where you cut out 75% of it. And so I might do that, and this way you guys don't have to look at a whole bunch of other stuff. I think I better take some measurements. Pretty sure my box is 55, yep, 55 and a half. That's even 56 and a half. Yeah, almost 57 inches long. And so, to the drawer handle, right at the door, right around 57 inches. So that's going to be tight. It's going to be tight. We're at 21 inches here. I'm at 19 and a half, so that's barely going to fit. But you know what, as long as it fits, that's all that matters. If I take those drawers out, that'll give me another inch and a half over there. So that'll help it fit. The, what is this here anyway? Oh, the refrigerator is about 6 inches over that way from the doorway. And so I think if I can get it up in there and just past this lip right here, I can wedge it over just little by little and work it on over that way, and then bring it back without any problem. I have a rug in there, so it should slide real easy. So the best laid plans, right? So we'll give it a shot and see what happens. I'm going to turn this off right now because my battery doesn't last that long. And I'll talk to you guys later.